Heat invoice converter. CS50 final project. Problem. The administrator of 170 multifamily residential buildings receives a monthly invoice for the delivered heat in an XML file. Unfortunately, the provided XML file does not use the full capabilities of the XML format, and its structure contains only 2 elements, rows and cells. Such an arrangement makes it impossible to directly import data into the accounting program. Solution. The application allows for automating this process. Firstly, it reads and analyzes the XML file containing the invoice data. Then it transforms them into a database and generates a CSV file, which can be easily imported into the administrator's accounting program. Here is a fragment of a heat invoice in PDF. And this is how an XML file looks like. Steps of problem solution. First, we read the data from an XML file. Then, we extract the text that interests us. The next step is to search for a prefix. After prefix, we find the name of the heat exchanger unit and the subsequent desired values. Net fee, tax rate, tax amount, gross fee, and so on. We proceed in a similar way with each prefix by loading the values into a list. Each prefix has its own structure, but there is a constant structure for each type of prefix. After all, we insert the values from the list into an SQL database. Let's see how the application works in practice. Web app is prepared in the Polish language. First, we log in. After logging in, we see the list of uploaded invoices. Let's add a new invoice. We select the file. Then, we choose the year and month. The application analyzes the XML document, transforms it, and saves it to the SQL database. Now we can preview the uploaded invoice. The application checks and informs us whether the checksums match. In the upper part, we see the summary of the invoice, and below it, a list of all items, of which there are over 2,000. Finally, we download a CSV file with the data for the central heating and separately for the central hot water. From now on, invoices do not need to be manually entered into the accounting program of the administrator.